Skill pages are a content format on Appropedia that are useful for you to document know-how, or in other words, the knowledge of how something is done. In this video, I will quickly explain to you how you can use these skill pages to document medical procedures for the Global Surgical Training Challenge modules. For that, we will start by going to the portal of the GSTC, and here you will see that we have a few types of pages that are very quickly explained. First, all the modules that you will create will be added to the courses category. Secondly, we have two main types of pages that go into courses. The first ones are medical skills, which not only describe but also help you explain and show how to perform a practical procedure by using video, by using images, a narrative content, and also metadata. Secondly, courses also have knowledge pages, which expand on the knowledge of the medical skills by adding reading material. And finally, we have the option to document how to make or assemble medical devices, equipment, or simulators. This is an example of a course page where a module is basically a collection of both knowledge pages and skill pages. This is an example of a syllabus with 3 units and the pages that have been added to it. You can quickly edit any module by clicking on Edit with Form, the option at the top of the page, which will open a tool for you to edit the course data, a description, and then the syllabus. You can here add or delete any knowledge or skill page as you deem necessary, and also change the order of the sections as you have to. Once you're done, you can save the page and the page will be ready for others to start learning. Then here we have a skill page. As you see here, the main feature of this skill page is a video, which has been uploaded to a hosting page, in this case YouTube, but you can also use Wikimedia Commons or also add to Appropedia. Then on the right, there is an info box that contains some information. For example, what are the alternative names or names that people may call the same procedure in other places. Then a description, the number of hours that is required not only to go through the content, but also to acquire, to practice the skill. Here we have some video annotations, which when you click will send you to a part of the video that is relevant for the person who's learning with a sub-skill. So the whole idea of this is that you can navigate by using the video annotations in a way that you can quickly go not only to watch the video, but also check the pages of the sub-skill. Finally, we have a box for self-assessment, which contains some recommendations of what pitfalls should be avoided, what to look out before moving to a different part of the procedure. Here is where the learner will come as they practice with the simulators, so that they make sure that they're doing things correctly. Maybe by checking out a photo of a procedure done correctly, or by making sure that they check every item on the list before saying that they're done. And finally, we have a list of equipment and materials. And here you can link to medical devices that are on Appropedia, or to pages on Wikipedia, or even to other pages on the internet. Below the video, we have a section for narrative content that explains in more detail what's happening on the video, that gives information or that sends learners to other sections of the skill pages of other courses, or even to outside pages. And all of the content that you saw on the info box and even more is noted in this fact box, where you can see, for example, acting roles, an alias, which is the alternative name, the body part, body system, a description, type of intervention, keywords that will make all of this content available and searchable in the future. A pathology that this skill addresses, the time required, if this skill contains a self-assessment box, the sub-skills, and other things. In order to edit the skill page, you simply need to go to the Edit with Form link, which will display the form that will serve for you to add a video by simply inputting the link, then adding video annotations for the timestamp that is required, and then by linking to a related skill or a knowledge page. You can add as many video annotations as you need. And also you can add more video content that will be useful for other people as they use it, reuse, so that you can tell them where was it created, under what settings, and how do you want this video to be attributed. All of this is very important. Then here we have the section for narrative content that you saw on the page. You can edit it here. And you can also add some relevant knowledge pages if necessary. Finally, a section for self-assessment and the skill data, where all the information that we saw before is edited here. Once you're done, you click Save and you're done. And that is how you edit a skill page. It's very simple. And if you have any more questions, let us know. We'll be happy to help you out.